Today I'm cooking a simple and favorite dish for my family, steamed fish with tofu and sour plum, ready in 20 minutes. This dish combines vegetable and fish to make a complete meal. This recipe is for 3 to 4 servings. Let's start with boiling the water to steam the fish. Put the pot on the stove. Add about 1.5 liters of water. Cover the pot, switch on the heat and let it boil. Meanwhile, marinate 540 grams of tilapia fish with 1 teaspoon of salt. This fish has been cleaned, washed and scored on the sides. Put the salt on and inside the skull and rub well. In the stomach as well and rub. Turn to the other side and repeat. Put about 20 grams of ginger stripes in the stomach and another 20 grams under the fish. This helps to get rid of fishy smell as it cooks. By the way, this fish is really fresh, so it shouldn't have much of the fishy smell. Cut just the root of 3 cilantro stalks and add them inside the fish stomach. Add a few leaves of Chinese cabbage under the fish. Cut half of the red chili, about 50 grams, into long strips. And place on the fish. Slice 1 tomato, about 100 grams, in 2 wedges. And arrange them around the plate. Cut 4 pieces of fresh shiitake mushroom into half. To place them on the fish as well. 75 grams of firm tofu, cut into small cubes. Once the water is at a rolling boil, put the fish on the steamer and cook it for 7 minutes on high heat. While the fish is cooking, cut 30 grams of cilantro leaves into small pieces and set aside on a plate to keep as garnishing. Prepare the sauce. Pour 100 ml of water in a small mixing bowl. Add 3 pieces of pickled sour plum and some of the brine as well. Smash the sour plum gently to get the maximum flavor of sourness and saltiness. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Stir to mix until well combined. And put aside. After steaming the fish for 7 minutes, open the cover. Pour the sauce over the fish. As my fish is very fresh, I am not draining the water this time. This protects the ingredients from falling out too. Cover the steamer and continue steaming for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the fish and all ingredients are done. Switch off the heat and open the cover. Wow, the smell is really good. Remove the fish from the steamer with a clamp or heat protection gloves. Please be careful as it is really hot. Place it on the coaster. Sprinkle the cut cilantro and 2 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots. Now our whole steamed fish with tofu and sour plum is ready. I recommend serving hot with white rice. Let's eat! Oh wow, this is really good. The fish is fresh and the gravy is slightly salty and mildly sour, just enough to be addictive. This is home cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!